I'll be the first to admit that this is not the prettiest sight, but these are 4 bananas that was previously frozen. I allowed them to thaw and I'm using the juice and all. So I'm using my fork today to beat this up because if there's some lumps of banana, it just doesn't make a difference. I'm adding 1 egg at a time and make sure they're well incorporated. I'm adding about a tablespoon of vanilla simply because it's vanilla, imitation vanilla. If you're using real vanilla, you may want to use a little less. A cup of sugar, and I'm steady beating or mixing with my fork. Now I'm going to add 1.5 cups of flour. To that, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and 1 whole teaspoon of cinnamon. And you just want to well incorporate the dry ingredients into the wet ingredients, but not over mixing. Line your muffin pan with the paper cupcakes like so. And this is how they look in the oven at 350 degrees after 15 minutes. This is the finished product. If you want to eat it, of course, you got to take the paper off like I'm doing. And then I'm just going to break this beautiful, moist, soft, and tender muffin. Now I'm going to eat it. And it is so delicious. Nice and crispy around the edges with a nice strong banana flavor, buttery. Don't throw your ripe bananas away. Put them in the freezer. And remember that the new sexy is good healthy, baby.